Wes Forever here, and in this episode, we have this whole island to ourselves. How's it going? Time for another island adventure, and I'm juiced to get back out there. It's about 3 miles to get out to the island, so we should make it there within an hour. It's already sunset, so it'll definitely be dark when we get there, but we're still gonna have a good time. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. And if you end up liking what you see, subscribe. Hit that like button. It really does help. Looking to share these adventures with everyone. Where we are right now, the seas are pretty calm. Well, relatively speaking. We're pretty close to king tide. It's an exceptionally strong tide. Fortunately, we're gonna be going the same direction. So we're gonna ride the tide all the way to the island. Whew. Yeah, it's getting rough. Let's get it. See, a lot of people don't like rough water. I think it's a fun challenge though. You see way out there, that's the island. All right, we're crossing open water now. Just want to keep my head on a swivel. Make sure we don't get in the way of any bigger boats. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like we got a big boat headed right at us. I think we're good. It's a big wake. Just about there. We made it. Let's not waste any time. Let's get camp set up. Doesn't matter how late I get here. Once I'm here and I got the fire going, there's really no place I'd rather be. This is the life. Good morning. While I do try to get out and camp every weekend, I still just cannot get over it. So thankful to be out here and living life like this, man. Sun is finally starting to pop out. Should be a beautiful day. Today I was thinking it would be fun to try to hike up to the top of the island. Supposedly there's a cave. There is no way we're not checking that out. Let's see if we can summit the island. Going all the way up there. Now this looks like it might be a way. We'll see. Wow, it's either poison oak or thorns. Yep, poison oak. Maybe I should have brought my first aid kit. Ooh, that plant smells good. Wow, we're already so high up. This is cool. All right, let's try to get up here now. I don't know if y'all can see how steep it is, but it's pretty steep. This is a climb. Not worried about a little bit of climbing, I'm worried about poison oak. Oh. But that boat's wondering what the f I'm doing. I don't know if we're making it any further. Just too thick and a lot of it's poison oak. It might be the end of the road here. We'll have to try a different approach. Hi. Yeah.
Are you a scientist or you just like camping?
Oh, I just like camping.
That's awesome.
Did you climb up?
I tried. Well, attempt one, unsuccessful. I think we're gonna try to go up that way. Okay, these rocks feel like they could give way at any time. Might need to come back with rope, honestly. Oh, that's right, it's the cave. Yes. I've been looking forward to this. Oh man. Props, you guys. Man, this actually goes a ways. Echo. No echo. Wow, the audio in here. That was cool. To me, that's what it's all about. Just going out, just doing what you want, having fun. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, I was camping.
No way.
Yeah. Perfect out here. Not too hot, not too cold. At least from the 2 approaches I made, I couldn't. I think I'm gonna have to come back with rope. There's a disturbing amount of bones all over this island. Cook up some popcorn. Morning. I'm sad to go, but we'll definitely be back. Bye, friends! So this is actually another spot I've camped at before. Can't camp here at high tide. It's completely underwater. I found that out the hard way. We're crossing open water. Just make sure we don't see any big boats. I think we're good. Let's not waste any more time. Home stretch. That was sweet. I'm already looking forward to going back. Have a few more things I want to accomplish there. Well, that was a lot of fun. It's also a lot of work. If you liked what you saw, subscribe. Well, until the next one.